So here we are, and sorry, power's off. I'll show you up top just now, but if this is a part up here, if that works loose at all, so basically what I've got, see how that's slid out, and it's extremely loose now. This is basically two big washers I drilled a hole in and then cut some shapes out of. There's two there, and they're just glued together. And then there's some pieces of thin card. This is like a plate that can push in and out and screw in and out, and that basically generally holds it. But without this on, as you can see, there's a big gap there and it can wobble. So probably stick that on nearly all the way, and then when I slide the two bits of card in until it jams and wedges that tight. Now that is still a bit loose, I can't really get in because of the camera, but basically get the idea, that wedges in and that becomes tight. But I have noticed that this plate sometimes can move, and there's a gap there, and it's becoming loose, and then the head is wobbling. So the plan is to drill a hole, tap a thread in there, probably not have this on at all, this card. So if I drill a hole, have a bolt going through that I can tighten up, and that will push against this metal plate here, push this up, and that will wedge it up tight. That's the basic idea. So this is basically as the plate is at the moment, only I'd have those two bits of card wedged under there to take up the slack. See, there's a bit of slack there. So it'll be threads in this one, but no threads in there, so the bolt would be screwing this and screwing this up and taking that slack up, also wedging that. Now obviously I'm worried about any slight bit of angle there, and here's the plate. So that's just a piece of metal plate, so I can slide this whole hot end out of here relatively easy if I need to. Just unscrew these, take that plate out, and then this whole hot end can slide out for changing and such like. So I'm going to look at this a little bit more. So I'll come back when I've done all this, because it's going to be a pretty big job. I've got a punch, going to knock a hole in, well, a dent in there, drill a hole in, tap it out. I haven't showed what size bolt, probably about a 4mm. I think I want it as big as possible. And I'll come back. So here we are, I've drilled a hole in here, tapped it out for 4mm thread, put this like bolt thing in. I wanted an Allen head actually, but I haven't got one, so this is like a Phillips. So as I screw this in, it'll pull this plate in up, because this has threads on it, and it's just, the end is just touching against this plate for the hot end, the cabbage. Right, I'm going to tighten it up. It's been tightened up. What happens? I can't really turn it like I could earlier. It's on there, well, as strong as it can be really. So as I'm screwing this thread in. This has threads in the top. They're twisting and pushing this like tool washer that I cut out the size up over and tightening that gap. I doubt if it'll vibrate loose because it's in here very tight. But if I did have any problems, I might be able to put a nut on there. It's a bit tight for space.